So in this ChatGPT tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the creative writing coach here on ChatGPT. So first thing you have to do is obviously open up ChatGPT, and then once you're here, go to the top left and press on Explore. Don't press New Chat. Simply just go ahead and press on Explore right here in the top left-hand side of your screen. Then under By ChatGPT or My GPT, simply scroll down to where it says Creative Writing Coach right here. I'm eager to read your work and give you feedback to improve your skills. So once that is done, you can go ahead and press on that. Now, what it's going to do is actually open up a new ChatGPT chat with the Creative Writing Coach inserted inside of it. So as you can tell right here, can you give me feedback on this passage? How do I show rather than tell my writing? I'll just go ahead and press on this one right here. Can you give me feedback on my passage? Now it's probably going to ask for a writing passage for yourself. So you can insert your writing right here, and it'll hopefully give you some tips and feedback on it. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can use the creative writing coach here inside of ChatGPT. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.